programming in C# and ASP.NET. This is Mr. Wilson, your instructor and guide as we take a closer look at C# and ASP.NET. This is CS ASP 013 Challenge. This is the first Mr. Wilson subs. Hey, let's go to Visual Studios. All right, gang, here it is. This is a big challenge. This is the Mr. Wilson subs and software. This is the first time that we've seen this. We'll probably see it again a little later in a little different form, but this is your first attempt at it. Notice number one that this is designed so that you can order a sub sandwich, and we do say at the top, sorry, at this time you can only order one sub sandwich. We need a better website, so that's what you're here to do, is to build this the way it is. It says the regular size of the sub is either 6 inches or a foot long. So let's pick one of those. And notice these are radio buttons, and you can only pick one because you can only pick one kind of sub. So let's say we're going to have a foot long. Notice down here at the bottom, it says a special $2 off a foot long wheat meatball American cheese. Well, so you can pick your kind of bread, wheat, Italian. The flatbread costs 50 cents more. If you pick your meat, then each one of your meats, meatballs and steaks, cost a little more than ham and roasted chicken. And if you add the cheeses, it has the extra price across the back end. So you can pick a bread or a meat. Those are radio buttons, and they are tied together. Oh, that should give you a hint. But you can pick as many cheeses and veggies as you want. You can pick all the veggies with one button, or you can pick individual veggies, however you would like. You can pick all 3 cheeses if you want. But the bread and the meat, you can only pick one of. Okay? So this is the requirements for this. Now, notice down below it says special. $2 off if you buy the foot long, the wheat, the meatball, and the American cheese. So let's see. Foot long, the wheat, the meatball, and the American cheese. And you can pick any veggie that you want to, and also add that to that sandwich, and it will still take the $2 off. If I click order here, I want you to watch what happens. Notice down here where it said your sub, it says foot long, wheat bread, meatball, American cheese, and it's the special $2 off. If you pick some other combination, let's say you pick a 6-inch and you decide to have flatbread, and you want roasted chicken and not American cheese, we're going to say pepper jack cheese, and cucumbers and red onions on your sandwich, and click order here. Notice it says 6-inch flatbread, roasted chicken, pepper jack cheese, cucumbers and red onions, and the price. All the things that you picked below are now added up together and are in that little thing that said your sub, that little label. So that's the challenge, and here just a little bit I'll come back and show you the bonus. If you really are feeling like you're doing a bang up job, I will add a little bit to this challenge. I know that this looks like a lot, but you can do it. I have faith in you, and maybe it's a little bit of a struggle. That's okay. Go back and watch the last 2 videos if you need a little help. Okay? All right. I'll come back with the bonus here in just a minute. Okay, gang, here is the bonus. Let's see if you can do this. As you can see, I've made some changes here to the project. I've spiced it up just a little bit. So let's go ahead and let's run it and take a look at what that looks like. Here we go. Yep. Here we go. So here is what that finished product looks like. Let me open it all the way up. Oh, no. Okay. And so once again, I can put my sandwich in, and all my code still works. There we go. And it does that. It does everything the same. I've just spiced it up a little bit with some pictures and some stuff like that. You go get your own pictures. Do it the way you need to do it. But to be a win, it's got to be readable. In other words, you see how you can read all the words on the page. Don't put a picture in the background that is, figure out how to put your picture. Now, that picture that's behind there is just a regular picture. It's not tinted this way. I've made it that way in Visual Studio. So you need to think back to our formatting video on how to be able to do those things. Okay? So that's the bonus challenge, is to make this page look a lot more professional. Now, is this professional? No, it's close. We're almost there. It's still got some things that we would have to change around and do to make this professional. But this is the first attempt at doing this. So go ahead and take a shot at that. Go ahead and try the bonus, even if you don't feel like you're capable, but try working on it. Remember that everything, when you finish, all of your code should be in the GitHub repository, and I'll be putting a connection to the GitHub Classroom connection for you to put your repository in. So your program should be built in there. That's how you turn it in, especially when we're doing virtual kind of work, but that's how you turn it in, okay? So be looking for that. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So our next video is CS ASP 014 time and date. I look forward to seeing you there.